Mastering placement. Unveiling the mysteries of articles and determiners in English. Hello, language learners. Today, we're going to delve into a crucial topic that can significantly improve your English grammar skills: the placement of articles and determiners in a sentence. This is a key factor in making your English sentences sound natural and accurate. So, grab your notebook, sit back, and let's get started. Before we start placing articles and determiners in sentences, let's quickly review what they are. Articles in English are a, in, and the. They precede a noun or noun phrase, helping to clarify whether we're talking about something specific or general. On the other hand, determiners are words placed in front of a noun to clarify it further. They include articles a, in, the, demonstratives this, that, these, those, possessive adjectives my, your, his, her, its, our, their, quantifiers some, many, a lot of, etc., and numbers. Generally, articles and determiners are placed before the noun or the adjective that modifies the noun. For example, I saw a dog. Article, I saw some dogs. Quantifier, I saw the big dog. Article before adjective, big. I saw my big dog. Possessive adjective before adjective, big. When using more than one adjective, the determiner still comes first. For example, the old, haunted house. The determiner, the, precedes the adjectives, old, and haunted. But what happens when there are multiple determiners? Well, they usually follow a specific order. When multiple determiners are used, they typically follow this order: determiner, quantifier, plus determiner, article, demonstrative, possessive, plus adjective plus noun. For example, all the old houses. All is a quantifier, and the is an article. Those my old houses. Those is a demonstrative, and my is a possessive adjective. That's all for today, learners. Remember, mastering the placement of articles and determiners is a crucial step in becoming proficient in English. Practice these rules and you'll be crafting natural, fluent sentences in no time. We hope this lesson was helpful, and as always, keep practicing and never stop learning. See you in the next video.